everyone, this is Ashok Varma, online chess coach from India. Today we are going to learn checkmate position, mate in 5 moves. I hope you all have seen part 1 also. Today I am making part 2. White to play, you can pause and think. You can set this position on chessboard also. Queen cross e6, check. If king f8, queen f7, checkmate. So king g7. Queen f7 check. King h6. Rook h3 check. King g5. From here only 2 moves mate. f4 check. King g4. Bishop e2 checkmate. Again you can pause video and think. Bishop cross g6 check. If king f8, queen h6 check and f7. Okay. H cross g6. Queen cross g6 check. King f8. Queen g7. King e8. f7. King e7. Now one move checkmate. f8 equal to queen, double check, blocking all the squares. Checkmate. It is double check, so black cannot take the queen. In every position white to play. Rook cross h6 check. If king g8, then queen h7. So pawn will cut. G cross h6. Queen f6 check. If king goes g8, then rook g4 check and queen g7. King h7. Rook h4. Idea rook cross h6 or queen cross h6. King g8. Rook g4 check. King h7. Queen g7 checkmate. Rook cross f6. Idea queen g5 and rook h6 checkmate. Rook c8 making a square for the king. Queen g5 check. If king h7 or h8, rook h6 is coming, so king f8. Rook h6, idea rook h8 checkmate. Because king cannot go here, see, queen is there. f6, queen cross f6 check. King e8 or g8, rook h8 is coming. Queen f7, still rook h8 checkmate. Rook c8 check. Bishop b8. Rook cross b8 check. King cross d8. Queen e5 check. If king goes a8, rook c8 is coming. And if we try to block the line with queen d6 or c7, queen will cut. So queen cross d6 check. King a8. Queen f8, queen d8 or rook c8 checkmate. Rook h3. Idea queen h8 checkmate. How will black defend? If you found it, very good. King f8. Idea after queen h8 check, black has rook g8, but is still losing. Queen cross g8, excellent move. Queen sacrifice. King cross g8. Rook g1 check, forcing king to go to f8. After king f8, rook h8 checkmate. This is the last position. You can pause video and think. Queen cross h7 check. King f8. Think carefully. Here we can think pawn g6 also. If pawn is on g6, rook f7 check is coming. So after g6, if queen cuts g6, then white can take queen g6. Pawn is pinned. Queen h8 check. King e7. We cannot go direct queen f6 because black's queen is supporting f6 square. So how to remove support? Knight d5 check. Good move. Forcing queen to go to d5. Queen cross d5. Now f6 is free for the queen. Queen f6 check. King f8. Rook h8. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.